Hi, my name is Noor. I'm pursuing a degree in biology and psychology, and my educational goal is dentistry.
Hi, my name is Karina, and I'm majoring in biology on the pre-medicine track.
Hi, I'm Daytona. I am currently pursuing Earth and Environmental Sciences as my major with a specialty in paleontology.
Hi, I'm Carla. I'm a major in bioscience and pursuing a pre-dental track. So, this is what a lab at UIC looks like. At UIC, you might have lab classes as part of your foundational science courses like biological science, chemistry, and physics, though we even have labs in subjects like anthropology and earth and environmental studies.
During lab courses, you can engage in hands-on experimentation to enhance your understanding of complex scientific course material. For example, dissection experiments might follow a lesson on anatomy and physiology, or you might combine chemicals to observe reactions discussed in lecture. Labs teach students to ask questions, observe small details, and seek answers through experimentation.
What I like about working in a lab is being able to apply the concepts that I learned in the academic classroom through my lectures and being able to apply them in person once a week.
Our physical chemistry lab is stocked with state-of-the-art equipment, including an FITR instrument used to measure infrared radiation.
As one of our professors said, most schools are not going to let undergraduate students touch a $20,000 machine, but we do.
So what I like about working in a lab is really going in depth with everything that I learned in my classes, whether it be a gen ed or like more specialty classes as I got further into my major. A lab is much more relaxed than a traditional classroom. It's designed in a way to encourage you to work in groups, which fosters teamwork experience, helps you get hands-on experience, builds relationships, allows you to receive feedback, and helps you make friends.
The goal of our lab spaces is to make science less intimidating and more accessible as you're building your foundation for a future in the science or pre-health. What I like about working in a lab is after going into lecture with a big group, when we come into the lab, we break up into smaller groups and we're able to do a lot of hands-on activities and answer all the questions that all our students might have. You will have the opportunity to work closely with faculty and teaching assistants in a smaller, more hands-on environment. With many diverse lab experiences inside and outside of the classroom, you're sure to find many topics to explore at UIC. Thank you for joining us today on this quick tour, and we hope to see you in the fall.